Hello 4th standard, this is our second video of chapter number 2 on page number 12. Here is a question: different animals have different kinds of ears. Among the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? मतलब कि यहाँ पे कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे दिए गए हैं जिसके कान आप देख सकते हो. इन विच एनिमल यू नॉट सी द ईयर्स. ऐसे एनिमल्स भी है जिसके आप ईयर्स देख नहीं सकते लेकिन उनको होते हैं. राइट इन द टेबल गिवन बिलो. यहाँ पे कुछ दो बॉक्स दिए हैं. एक में आपको लिखना है द एनिमल्स हुज ईयर्स कैन बी सी एंड हियर एनिमल्स हुज ईयर्स वी कैन नॉट सी. तो हियर आर सम animals name given. So we can see deers, tiger, pig, buffalo, giraffe, elephant and cat's ears we can see through our eyes, but we cannot see frog, ant, crow, sparrow, snake, lizard and duck's ears because they have holes in their both sides of the head. So these animals are divided into two parts: the animals whose ear we can see and the second whose ears we cannot see. So here are some pictures given in the textbook that you have to observe and you have to give the names of these animals. Which animal? These all animals do not have ears, but they can hear our sound clearly because they have holes to both sides of their head, because they have feathers and they have hairs on their skin. These are hen, sparrow, parrot, crow, duck and frog. These animals are given in the textbook. They all have ears even though we cannot see them. So here are some other question. Find out some other animals which have ears that we can not see. Write their names. तो यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे एनिमल्स के नाम लिखने हैं जिसके कान देख नहीं सकते हैं. विच एनिमल्स आर दिस? सो दे आर swan, then fish, fly, mosquito, crocodile, etc. So these animals, which one? Swan, fish, fly, mosquito, crocodile, etc. Now here a new question will be start. तो मैंने जैसे बताया कि all the animals have different types of ears. Some animals have like a fan ears, some of leaves type of ears. Some animals have ears on the top of its head, and some animals with ears on the both side of their head. So which animal have ears like fans? So it is elephant. कौन से एनिमल है? एलिफेंट. नेक्स्ट एनिमल विच कैन एनिमल विथ ईयर्स लाइक लीफ. कौन सा एनिमल के पत्ते की तरह कान होते हैं सिर पे? दैट इज रैबिट. एन एनिमल विथ ईयर्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ इट्स हेड. तो वो भी रैबिट पत्ते की तरह होते हैं और सिर पे होते हैं, है ना. एन एनिमल विथ ईयर्स ऑन द बोथ साइड्स ऑफ इट्स हेड. सो दैट इज डॉग. सो this is the questions. You know very well that ears help us to hear. We use our ears to hear. In some animals you can see the ears, in some you can not. कुछ एनिमल्स में आप कान देख सकते हैं और कुछ एनिमल्स के जैसे नहीं होते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बर्ड्स, है ना. हाँ. एंड सम एनिमल्स लाइक वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, दे ऑल हैव ईयर्स. Pet animals also have ears, but parrot do not have ears. It has a hole on that both side of head. We cannot see a bird's ears. A bird has tiny holes on both sides of its head.